If you love being out on the water, but you hate the bulk of a traditional life jacket, this is going to be such a game changer. My name is Kate with WTI, and this is the VOGUCCLO Inflatable Life Vest. This is a really great option for fishing, kayaking, paddleboarding. It's a lightweight vest that stays slim and comfortable until you actually need it. If you ever end up in the water, it has a sensor, and so it's going to automatically inflate in just seconds. You can also pull the manual cord yourself if you need immediate flotation. This is really well made. It comes in different colors and patterns. It has reflective strips for extra visibility. It has a safety whistle, and it even has rescue loops, so that makes it easier for anybody who needs to help you. If it happens to inflate, all you have to do is replace the CO2 cylinder. Super easy. You can buy them separately. There's also a way to inflate it manually if you need a top up, so that's great too. It's super adjustable, so it'll fit all sorts of sizes, anywhere from 80 pounds all the way up to 330 pounds. So if you spend a lot of time on the water, you want that extra peace of mind, but you don't want the extra bulk, you're gonna absolutely love these safety vests, and that's my point of view.